Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Maths with Hira. We have started the GCSE Math series and today we are going to discuss about the fractions. And in fractions we are going to discuss about how to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. But before going to that, we need to know about the mixed numbers and improper fractions. So the mixed numbers are things like 3 whole 1 over 3, where we have the integer part, that is 3, and 1 over 3 is your fraction part. And improper fractions are the ones where the top number is always it's larger than the bottom one. So improper fractions are the ones where the top number is larger than the bottom number. For example, we have a number 20 over 3. So here you have 20 that is larger than the bottom, that is 3. Now we will discuss how to convert the mixed numbers as an improper fraction. So let's discuss it with some example. Our example is express 4 whole 2 over 3 as an improper fraction. To express the mixed number as an improper fraction, we will first think that our mixed number is as an addition. So we are in our mixed number, we have our integer part and a fraction part. So we will write them as an addition. So we have the integer part, that is 4, and plus we have the fraction part, that is 2 over 3. So the first step was we have return the mixed number as a addition. So mixed number as addition. Yeah, write mixed number. Yes, that's more clear. So write mixed number as addition, and the next step is we need to turn the integer part as a fraction. So what we are going to do, we are going to turn the integer part as a fraction. So to convert the integer part as a fraction, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by some number. If we can see here, we have 3 in the denominator and we can only add them together if we have the same denominator. So basically we are going to make the denominator same, and to make the denominator same we need to times 4 by 3 and we need to divide it by 3 as well. So 4 times 3 and divided by 3, plus we have the same fractions 2 by 3. So now your integer has turned into the fraction. We have multiplied by 3 and divided by 3 as well, because whenever we are going to multiply something from our own side, we have to divide it as well. So that's why we have multiplied and divided both. Now 4 times 3 gives you 12, and in the denominator you already have 3. Then we have plus 2 over 3. And now because we have the same denominators, it means we can add the numerators. So we will write the common denominator, that is 3. And now we have numerator as 12 and then plus 2. And 12 plus 2 gives you 14. And in the denominator you have 3. So you have 14 over 3, which is an improper fraction. And you can see that your top number is larger than the bottom number. So let's discuss one more example. Write 2 whole 3 over 4 as an improper fraction. So again, we are going to write the mixed number as addition. So we will write the integer part, that is 2, plus our fraction part, that is 3 over 4. Now we are going to change our integer into the fraction, and we can do that by multiplying and dividing it by 4. So 2 times 4 divided by 4, because we have 4 here and we need to make the denominator same. That's why we are dividing and multiplying by 4. So we have plus and 3 over 4. Now 4 times 2 gives you 8 divided by 4, and then we have plus 3 over 4, and we have the common denominator. It means we can just write them as 4, and in the numerator we can just add them, that is 8 plus 3, and 8 plus 3 gives you 11 divided by 4. Now you see we have the top number that is larger than the bottom number. It means this is our improper fraction. I hope the concept is clear to you. Let's write some practice questions. Write 3 whole 4 over 10 as a mixed number, as an improper fraction. Fraction. And next one is, you can also write 2 whole 2 by 8 as an improper fraction. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.